Hey all the cubers in the universe, I am TB Cube, and in this video today I will be unboxing a few cubes and accessories that I got from speedcube.com.au.
So in my unbagging I have some lubrical silk, Speedcube weight 5 I'm pretty sure, yep. I have a Moyu Ready Cube, a Chi Square 1 from the budget line, I have a Chi Zheng S 5x5, and lastly the Volk 2x2M. So now let's get on to the accessories that I got. Both this Speedcube weight 5 lube and lubrical silk are going to be to help set up my main, the Gans 356 Air SM. I just wanted to see how these would work in it. So for this, I'm going to use it in the core mechanism and also where the springs, even though they have the GES nuts. I want to see what will happen if I put this in there. And also lubrical silk on the pieces, so they will make it faster yet also smoother. So hopefully we'll make this a better cube. Now let's get into the first one, the Chi Square 1. It comes with 2 pamphlets, but no one cares about them, nor the box. Straight out of the box it feels very smooth. I picked this up on speedcube.com.au for only $9. Currently I do not know how to solve a square one, so this is perfect for beginners like me. The sticker shades look very vibrant. The yellow is like neon, orange is the same. In general, this cube is very vibrant and bright, and instead of red it has a sort of pinkish color. Now let's check out the corner cutting. So normal corner cutting is extremely good. Can nearly go, I think 45, past 45 maybe. So reverse, there you go. It's probably 1/3 maybe. While the feel is very smooth on this cube, it feels very airy and blocky though. I will definitely need to break this in and do a couple of solves to get it as fast because it feels a little bit slowish. So, in summary, I think this is a very good beginner's cube, and I will definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to learn how to solve square one. Okay, now let's get into the Chi Zheng S 5x5. Wow, very smooth, but a bit scratchy as well. Smaller than I expected, so let's just take Gans SM. That's a bit. I like it because I didn't want to get a huge 5x5. I got this for only $13. The sticker shades, I think, are very vibrant, like all of the other puzzles, such as the square one. Okay, here's the checkerboard. Yeah, I'm really liking the blue and the green. The red, though, it's a bit more pink, not red exactly. All of the colours on here complement each other very well. Okay, so now let's get into corner cutting. It can do about half a cube. Actually, no. You can do not 45, but probably, I don't know, maybe 20. You can do 1 cube. And reverse, I wouldn't expect much. It can do about a half a cubie. The feel is very smooth, a tiny bit sandy. Definitely the inner layers are way sandier than the outer layers. This is my first 5x5. I probably would need to break this in to get that sandy feel gone, but a few soles should do this well. So, in summary, I think this is a decent 5x5 to get you started. If you're a new beginner in 5x5, you should definitely check this cube out. Other than that, let's get into the next one. Okay, now let's get into the Ready Cube. This is a Ready Cube from Moyu. Looking at the packaging, it's in stickerless. Comes in plastic wrap. Okay. This feels so cool. Oh, this is so smooth. I have never solved a Ready Cube ever. So this was $16, $16.50 AU dollars. The shades are really nice. Unlike the others that we've reviewed and unboxed today, this is more of a red than a pink. The green's still bright like always, but this is Moyu, not Chi. Yellow, the blue looks nice. The orange is cool, and white's normal. The pieces are larger than I expected, but that gives a nice, comforting turning style for me. It's pretty quick, it's very smooth. It's not very noisy either. The feel is very smooth, as I already mentioned. It's a bit slow. That's the only problem. Breaking in, I'm not too sure if I want to break this in or not. But I think this will be a very fun puzzle to solve that I've heard it has. And it is very fun. But now I have the time, so I can learn how to solve it. Okay, now time for the one I have been waiting for. This is the Volk 2x2 M. Leave that over there for now. So, first of all, the packaging is very nice. Volk is very good at their packaging. It comes with these cards. I'll go back, I'll look at them in the review that you can stay tuned for. And now, the cube. Very good. It also comes with a set or two, probably just a set of extra springs. Now let's open it. So already feels nice. Now let's move all these off to the side. Wow. This is just amazing. So smooth, you can barely feel the magnets unless you're going really slowly. It's a perfect size, it's perfect strength for the magnets. The shades on this are very well done. As you can see, they just look very nice. I especially like the contrast between the blue and the green. The red, not too fan of, but doesn't really matter as long as you can recognize that it's red during solving. Wow, I don't even think I'll need to break this cube in. Maybe a few solves, no tensioning, no lubing, it already feels amazing. It feels just so smooth. Corner card, let's check that out. Wow. Reverse. They're both 45, pretty sure. I can cut over 45 though. Just over though. See if you can see, it's still cut. But it does 45s effortlessly. Okay, so this cube, the price of it, it's $18.50. I got it $10 cheaper because there was a sale going on. This cube's the best 2x2 out there. Corner cutting's amazing. You won't have to break it in. It feels so smooth. And it's extremely stable. So to sum this up, I'm definitely going to enjoy solving 2x2 way more. You should definitely go out and buy the Valk because it's the best 2x2 out there. I would definitely recommend it. If you would like to see a longer review on this cube, it will be coming out very soon. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing on the Valk 2M and others. There will be more reviews on these cubes coming out shortly. But for now, be cool and stay cubing.
Subscribe, like, and of course, make sure to share this with all of your cubing friends.